Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Moringa rice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite rice, like basmati or jasmine, and about 1/4 cup of fresh, finely chopped Moringa leaves. We'll also use 2 cups of water or vegetable broth for cooking, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. This simple list ensures a delicious and nutritious meal. Now, let's get everything prepped. Begin by rinsing your rice under cold, running water until the water is completely clear. This removes excess starch. Next, wash your fresh moringa leaves and gently pat them dry with a paper towel. Then, finely chop these vibrant green leaves into small, manageable pieces. Proper preparation is key to achieving the perfect texture and flavor in your moringa rice. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Add the rinsed rice and sauté it for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Then, pour in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth and stir in your finely chopped moringa leaves. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Once cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest covered for 5 minutes. Then, gently fluff the moringa rice with a fork to separate the grains. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice for an extra burst of flavor. This nutritious dish is packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a wonderful addition to any meal, either as a side or a light main course. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.